I gonna get fire in my eye?
No.
Is Frank gonna get fire in his eye?
No.
Are you sure?
Unless he's like, he's got his mouth right on the thing.
Are you ready?
No.
Oh.
Alright, I'm going to talk for a quick second, and then once I'm done talking, you might want to come behind me. Well, no, stay where you're at when I'm talking.
Okay.
And then when I'm done, like come over here, and maybe kneel down right around there to get it, shoot this way.
Okay.
Alright, I'm ready.
Okay.
Recording?
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
Alright, now, as I said earlier, the goal is I'm going to put 2 quick little tacks on the outside so I can get this set up and pull that magnet on the inside. Luckily, right now I got a special guest. Well, he's under the El Camino, but I got my daughter and her dog Frankenstein. My daughter's being my camera person for now. So, here we go.
Okay. Wait, so is this a good angle? Or?
I'm going to be hitting it right there. So you might want to
like
scooch down. I can't see what you see, so.
Okay. Wait, point where you're hitting it.
Right? Hold on, let me try to fix this real quick.
Just so I'm making sure I'm getting it right. Okay.
You ready?
I'm kind of scared.
It's not going to hit you from way back there.
Okay.
It's going to be a quick little tap.
Okay.
Alright. Zoom in on that one.
Oh my god.
As you see, there's 4 little quick spot welds just to hold that on. Now you can pause it there.
It was already. Oh, oops. I unpause. Well, I didn't. Okay, whatever. Never mind.
It's recording now?
Yeah.
Alright, try to zoom it in on that.
On what?
On this little yellow thing. You know how I did zoom, right? The little leaves.
The leaves?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh.
Yeah. Alright. It's recording?
Yeah.
Alright. Now, since I tacked it there, I can take this little magnet out, and everything's all good with the magnet. Now, if you can see, what I'm going to do is I got a wet rag, because there's like some kind of foaming insulation stuff in the bottom of it, so nothing catches on fire and sparks go down there. I'm going to put the wet rag, you can't see it, but it's way down there. And that way, if something sparks and falls down there, there's a wet rag to catch it, so there's no fires. So, now I put 4 simple little tacks there, but these tacks will be a little bit bigger, and I'll put maybe about 4 or 5, maybe 6 tacks on there into that. Can you see into that little circle here? All right. Now, it's not going to be easy to get to, so I'm going to just kind of tack it as much.
Am I going to be okay at this angle?
Yeah, you'll be okay.
Okay.
As much as I can. All right. Can you even see in there?
Shouldn't you put your mask down first?
I know. I'm just trying to see if you can see in there.
Can I? Oh.
You might have to,
Can I sit here?
Yeah, but just watch that screw right there. And if you hit the small leaves, it'll zoom in.
Okay.
You got it?
Yeah.
All right, here we go, people. Okay, it's not pretty, but at least I know that that little plug will never come out of there. It just is what it is, man. I just can't get in there good enough to really get good welds. So I put about 8 tacks on the back of it. I wanted the majority of the tacks in the back because those are the ones I will not grind down. Now the ones on the other side I will grind down and make it look a little bit better. But now that I see it, I do see a little gap there. I might add like 2 more tacks. Okay, maybe 3 more. A little overkill, but it's all good. Now, all I gotta do is get that out of here. And wet rag, I don't need that. And yeah, like I said, it's not pretty, but it will hold. All right, on to the next thing. Pause. Are you recording? Oh. Now, as you see here, there's 4 tacks on the outside. Now the inside, there's a whole bunch of tacks because I'm just going to paint over that and that'll never get seen. But because this is kind of easily, even though it is a wheel well and there's going to be a lot of paint over this, eventually it will get seen. I'm just going to add 4 more tacks, and then that way I'm going to be grinding this down flat. And I'm going to add 4 more tacks of this just because it's easier to get to and it'll be easier to do. Alright, I'm not going to get too crazy with that. I just wanted to add 4 more because I'm going to be grinding down most of it. And basically, I'm just going to grind this back down flat, put some body filler over it, and then it'll be ready to paint. And pause.
Okay, where should I stand?
Just about right here. Just got me this right in here. You see it?
Yeah.
I'll be like this. Are you recording now?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Alright, I'm just going to grind this flat real quick while I got all this welding stuff set up. That way, if I feel like I need some more tacks, I can just right here ready to go, rather than me have to roll it all back out again. Probably can't see now because my helmet's in the way, huh?
No.
Alright. Was that a no? You can't see nothing, or yes, you can't see
You're
something?
good.
Okay. Alright, you basically get the idea. I'm going to go get another disc because this one is not that great. And this is going to take a while to get it down flat without doing too much too soon. But you get the basic idea of it. Just grind it down flat, and I'll show it to you once it's all done. All right, pause. This is pretty much what it's looking like right now. It's still ugly. It ain't got to be perfect, but I'm putting little body filler over that. I did grind that one back down, so I want to add some of the body filler over that one too and kind of redo that one. This one already has a little filler in it, but it's a different type of body filler. I didn't really like the way that laid down. After the fact, after I put that I kind of tested it. I tested it with the spray paint, and I didn't really like the way it looked, so that's why I was grinding that down so I can put some smoother body filler over it. Try to get it down a little bit better than that. It ain't gotta be perfect, because at the end of the day, it's not like it's the outside of the Tahoe. It's just the wheel well. And the paint that's going on it is pretty thick. Now, this is what I used in the first hole, but I think I had a hole in my can, or was this too old? Because this stuff kind of dried up on me. But I did try to scrape the sides and used a little bit of it. I didn't even have the right hardener because I busted the hardener bottle because the hardener, there's the lid. The hardener had busted and went on the can. It was just a fiasco. So now this is what I'm going to use now. I got this just out here like this on the old junk packaging from a tool I bought from Harbor Freight. Okay, I haven't really mixed Bondo in a very, very long time, so I put way too much hardener in there, so it got real hard real fast, but I got it on there. I mixed way too much of it for what I was trying to do. I put it on there way thicker than it has to be, so most of that's going to come off. There's the other side right there, but one reason I put on there, another reason I put on there so thick is because I'm gonna leave it like this probably till tomorrow. You don't have to leave it that long. You can just wait maybe 10, 15, 20 minutes and it should be ready to sand. But I got things to do. So it's getting pretty late in the day and I'm just gonna hang out with my daughter for the rest of the day.